Elderly Trelawny farmer hacked to death during home invasion. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Trelawny police say that one man has been taken into custody in connection with Sunday morning's murder of an elderly farmer who was hacked to death during a home invasion. The deceased has been identified as William Jenkins, otherwise called Samson of Sherwood Content in the parish. Reports are that about 2 a.m., Jenkins was pounced upon by an intruder who entered his home and used a machete to inflict several wounds all over his body. Residents alerted the police, and upon their arrival, the blood-drenched body of Jenkins was discovered on a bed with multiple chop wounds. He was taken to the Falmouth General Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The accused was subsequently arrested. Detectives assigned to the Clarkston police station are probing the incident. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.